11th part. Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. Though he didn't come through the window, but now this window becomes his right place to be hidden. It is the place where he would feel safe, because after the window there is the balcony, which is now most coveted. He thought that he would hide in the balcony, and after the departure of the police he would be able to rob Ozable. So he hurried toward the window just to reach the balcony through it. Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly toward the window. He swung a leg over the sill. Sill, you know, at the base of the window. This part is called sill. And the window was open. There was no grill, no bar was there. He swung a leg over the sill. "Send them away," he warned. "I will wait on the balcony. Send them away, or I'll shoot and take my chances." He was very stern. He ordered Ozable, "Don't let them enter the room, the police personnel. Just send them away. I'm waiting in the balcony. Right? And if you don't listen to me, I will not hesitate to shoot you. That time I can take the risk that I can encounter with the policemen. So do according to my instruction." The knocking at the door became louder, and the voice was raised. "Mr. Ozable, Mr. Ozable." Keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest, Max was a smart one. He knew how to use the pistol. So, just pointing the pistol towards Ozable and his guest, he twisted his body to go to the balcony through the window. Keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest, the man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. At first, what he did, he took the frame, this one, because there was no grill, so he grabbed the frame. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. First one leg, then the second one. He passed through the window to reach his most coveted balcony, about which a little bit before Ozable was fretting, and about which he was unaware, but now it is the most coveted place to hide in. So he put his body through the window to reach the balcony.